What makes the Easy DIY Home Staging course unique is that this course is targeted specifically to sellers preparing their own homes for sale. At Three Bears Home Staging, our focus has always been on empowering home sellers with the information they need to implement changes themselves and helping them maximize items they already have. Real estate professionals here in Houston know us and have trusted us with training their homeowner clients for years. But we know that not every homeowner has access to one-on-one training with a professional home stager. Maybe you live in a small town. Maybe you're on a tight budget. Or maybe you just want to learn how to prepare it yourself. What I've learned from my years in this industry is that most home sellers are aware of the need to spruce up their home so that it sells. They just need some guidance on how to do that and where to get started. You can prepare your home for a faster, more profitable sale, but for it to be truly effective, you need to understand the techniques, design concepts, and processes we teach our clients in our one-on-one consultations. This course does exactly that. I walk you through everything you need to know to properly stage and prepare your home for a quicker sale and a higher profit. Our course includes a 26-page workbook with detailed checklists and instructions so that you can start developing your own action plan for preparing your own home. We teach you each step of the process, from how to evaluate your lighting and select paint, where to place your furniture, common repairs, tips on packing and cleaning, to photo shoots and staying safe while your listing is active. You can get started immediately. It's online, it's completely at your own pace, so I encourage you to join us. Come aboard and purchase today.